It's not about the lateness, it's just about the heat. Ah! What's good, everyone? You just watched something on the game store. But today we have a very special pair. Obviously the box looks normal, but you know these obviously hit a lot of people's hearts. And yeah, other than that, you just look at the box, regular Jordan box. Some will call it just like regular non-collab box, things like that. But you know, it's an interesting box in comparison to older Jordan boxes because of the red and you know boxes. But anyways, look at the tag. It's all real. It's all real. Shout out Mr. Babak for the review. And these are the Taxi 12s. All right. Just obviously, as y'all know, for safe space, we're gonna take the shoes out and then take out the box. So
the video came out a little late, but you know.
Facts. You know, it's exactly. It's not about the lateness. It's just about the heat. Clip that. But anyways, yeah, I think we're gonna just start off with the left shoe just because it has the laces. And yep. So with these, obviously y'all could see these are bowling shoe colors. So yeah, these would be some nice bowling shoes. I ain't gonna lie. The leather's kind of nice. Oh, my fault. Right. Jordan, my fault. But yes, obviously we have the gold. What are these called? Like clips? Yeah, the gold clips. Yeah, like lace clips. There you go. And then we have the gold Jumpman right here, embroidery. And then we have this type of crocodile snake type of texture right here in the midsole. Midsole, and then this little swoosh. I don't know what that is, but we also have the colors as well as the logo. And then we have another gold tab over here, and then the bottoms we have all blacked out except for the white 23. I'm getting there. Yo, the white Jumpman and the carbon fiber. Yep. But it also includes just the white lace bag of white laces. Nothing special. I think the black ones would just make it stand out more if you want to talk about style, but obviously you do you. I do me. I don't care. ABC. But that's about it. Other than that, I would say these shoes, I'll give them a good little 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10. I don't really like 12s. They're just clunky in my opinion, and just I don't know. They just look like bowling shoes, bro. Like, some people might like them. I don't. But obviously, that's just my opinion. Mr. Babak, what would you rate them? Is your shoes?
8 out of 10.
8 out of 10, boy. Stop it, boy. All right, anyways.
Classic colorway.
Yeah, okay. But okay, that's reasonable. That's reasonable. Again, just like I said, people's opinions. But anyways, other than that, hopefully y'all liked, enjoyed, and everything else the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time.